As fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas continue to fuel the global crisis of climate change and warming, the shift to clean, renewable energy has become imminent. Speaking at a news conference in Accra, the country lead for the ocean centers in Ghana, Dr. Emmanuel Mbia, explained that a rapid transition to sustainable energy sources by Ghana and other developing nations could unlock vast potential for economic growth. On Tuesday, July 22, 2025, the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres called for accelerated global efforts to transition to renewable energy, not just to protect the planet, but also to harness the economic prospects it presents. Echoing this directive, the country lead for the ocean centers in Ghana, Dr. Emmanuel Mbia, spotlighted the wide-ranging benefits Ghana stands to gain from spearheading an early shift to clean energy.
You can increase your renewable energy capacity. That is key for us. And therefore, it brings to the fore the issue of de-risking. The level of risk that people see in you as a country, can you reduce that level of risk such that they feel confident that they can pump money into these areas? So you develop your renewable energy much quicker than you would otherwise have done. So the framework is there. We talk about, yes, even though the world is talking about 2050, remember that we have pushed to 2060. The Secretary General also recognizes that we have what we call common but differentiated responsibilities. The responsibilities are common across countries, but they are also differentiated so that we all don't have the same targets as countries, because some of us are now toddlers, while others have started running. So it will take some time. But the key thing is not to say, because it will take some time, I'm going to bed. The key thing is to accelerate the pace. Otherwise, you'll be left behind.
The executive director of the United Nations Global Compact Network Ghana advocated for deeper exploration of untapped opportunities in hydrogen energy.
We need to have more of a percentage of our energy being consumed by renewables. Right now, there's a market for that. There's lots of investments for that. As the Secretary General mentioned, wind, air, solar, these are all free. Okay, that's not free, but you understand what I mean. It's not affected by volatility. That's constant energy. We just need to build the infrastructure to harness it. Then when it comes to hydrogen is a very clean energy source, because basically you use water to create the hydrogen. So already there are some facilities in Africa that are already producing hydrogen for mass export, and it's feeding other economies. As we begin to develop our own economies, these are sources that if we invest in today, in the future, we can also benefit from these resources.
The official launch of the Oceans Center initiative is set for July 31 in Accra, marking a significant step in Ghana's renewable energy journey.